Hello friends, welcome you all, good evening. After the fury of the rains and floods, fortunately today the climate is very good and you all could make it to this place. Can we have your attention please? We are going to start right now. Please have your seats, please have your seats. Please have your seats. So welcome to this musical evening on harmonicas by Mumbai Harmonics. Before we go ahead with our music session, at first let me introduce Mumbai Harmonics and let me speak about our founder member, late Ramesh Bhai Parikh. So Mumbai Harmonics, an association of harmonica players of Mumbai, was formed in the year 2014 by 4 harmonica lovers led by late Mr. Ramesh Parikh. They were regular morning walkers at Hanging Gardens, and over the last decade, Mumbai Harmonics has grown into almost a 25 plus strong association of versatile harmonica players. This includes a teenager, 2 octogenarians, teenager sitting there, octogenarian 82, Arun Bhai sitting there, and there is Ashok ji. So Mumbai Harmonics performs in various functions, parks, open spaces, and even for Tata Mumbai Marathon to cheer the marathoners. Basically to entertain and popularize this little tiny wonder instrument which is so versatile. Hello. So we play nostalgic Hindi film tunes, patriotic songs, Hindustani classical, which Ramesh Bhai was very expert on that, and Western music. And all this could happen, this Mumbai Harmonics formation of Mumbai Harmonics and its growth to where we are now could happen because of our dear founder member Ramesh Bhai Parikh, who was the torch bearer of this splendid association. He was a huge inspiration to all of us. He was not only a versatile harmonica player, but an excellent human being, extremely social and friendly to one and all, with always a smiling face, as you can see from the photographs there. And he would invite us to his house with such a warmth that it was difficult to say no. Aa jao, milke bajayenge. And we would not only enjoy jamming at his house to our heart's content, but would also enjoy delicious snacks, tea, coffee, and even dinner or lunch. And this has happened innumerous times. Thanks to his beloved wife, late Durga Ben Madam, who also passed away just about a year before he passed away. And she also has been a great support to Mumbai Harmonics and would gracefully sit along with us with a smiling face and listen to our music. Thanks to their daughters, Reena and Shama, who are also a great support to Mumbai Harmonics. We are truly indebted, deeply indebted to the entire Parikh family for all that they have done and they continue to do for Mumbai Harmonics. Well, coming back to Ramesh Bhai, he has always gracefully appreciated every member's rendition, be it in any form or at any level, and encouraged to play more. He was selfless. While he had so much to offer as a harmonica player, he would allow others to perform and enjoy. He was always keen to popularize the instrument and our group. And thus he started the concept of busking, which is very scarce in India. We play in parks, which is called busking, and we try to popularize our instrument, entertain the public, the morning walkers, and that's how we are. And not only in the parks, in the open streets, in equal streets, and that's how we also created new harmonica friends, and that's how our group grew up. He was so passionate about encouraging us. Morning 5 a.m. he would wake up and travel all the way from South Bombay to Kharghar just to inspire the new Mumbai players and so that they can play and entertain the public in the parks there. Along. Though he played Bollywood songs along with us, his first love was Hindustani classical music, and he was the best amongst us to play Hindustani classical music. He learned Dhrupad from a Hindustani classical guru based out of Indore. He was fond of evergreen Western songs and also fond of patriotic songs and would inspire us to learn them. He also was fond of Rabindra Sangeet, and he played Rabindra Sangeet at the IMP Indian Mouth Organ Players Meet at Kolkata in 2018. Well, there is a lot to speak about Ramesh Bhai, and words fall short. He was our mentor, guide and inspiration. Unfortunately, we lost him this January. Till his last breath, he was planning for next activities for Mumbai Harmonics. In fact, he had initiated the funds collection this year to arrange such a meet. Well, though he is not here with us, we know he is watching us from up there and blessing us. He will surely be happy to see us performing in today's event. We all wish him the best up there and thank him for all that he has done for us. I would now request everyone to stand up for a minute and pay our respects to late Shri Ramesh Bhai Parikh. Thank you very much. We now start our music session. I hand over to Sanjay Prabhu to do the announcements.
Thank you, Sanjay. Hello, warm welcome to all of you again. Welcome to this musical evening. We all will be playing our harmonica instruments. We will surely enjoy this for all performances. First, I would like to welcome Mr. Mohan Aswani ji. He'll be playing his first song. His first song is from the Aji Aisa Mauka Fir Kahan Milega. It's from a movie Kiss, An Evening in Paris, 1968 movie. It's a wonderful song. And Mohan Aswani ji is a harmonica player at the same time. He is a harmonica. He's in the business partner of harmonica company too. And he plays harmonica and accordion as well. He's very good at it. मोहन जी कभी आपका अकॉर्डियम भी लाया कीजिएगा, आप कभी अकॉर्डियम भी लेके आइएगा.
इसने बोला नहीं तो मैं लाया नहीं.
अरे सेन प्लीज रिमाइंड हिम नेक्स्ट टाइम. सो मोहन जी प्ले करेंगे अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, 21 नंबर.
Better? We'll try it this time.
Come on, friends, clap, clap.
It was really a lovely performance, Mohan ji. He has given good variations also in the song.
क्या
Lovely,
बात
lovely.
है, क्या बात है. हम सबको मालूम है ईश्वर को पाना बहुत कठिन है. जिनको ईश्वर मिल जाए वो धन्य हो जाए. तो आज हम सब धन्य हैं. हमारे बीच ईश्वरलाल बारोट जी आ रहे हैं प्रस्तुत करने के लिए. यही वो जगह है, आशा भोसले का गाया हुआ फिल्म ये रात फिर ना आएगी, ओपी नैयर का
हेलो
म्यूजिक. ईश्वरलाल जी रिटायर्ड एज चीफ मैनेजर फ्रॉम बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. नोटों के ढेरों के बीच बैठे रहते थे. excellent performance. तो ईश्वरलाल जी के बाद प्रभु जी, प्रभु तुम चंदन हम पानी। तो जिस तरह ईश्वर जी मिलना भी बहुत मुश्किल है, उसी तरह प्रभु जी भी नहीं मिलते हैं। आज जो मिल गए हम सब धन्य हो गए। तो संजय प्रभु रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट रिसेंटली. He plays to perfection with notations and likes rendering old-time classics. He is a founder member of Mumbai Harmonics and is playing since 2014. He is going to play Na Tum Hame Jano, Hemant Kumar song, music S.D. Burman from the film Baat Ek Raat Ki.
थैंक यू। रिटायर मैं हुआ नहीं, कर दिया, बोला बहुत हो गया अभी और नहीं झेल सकते। थैंक यू रमेश जी को, रमेश भाई को याद करते हुए मैं गाना बजाऊंगा। एक छोटी सी याद देता हूं, जस्ट 15 सेकंड्स। वहां से मुझे अरुण भाई देख रहे हैं, वो तो पहले कह रहे थे कि कोई जरूरत नहीं अनाउंसमेंट करने की, सीधा सबको चिट्ठी दे दो, अपना अपना गाना के धुन बजाएंगे। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है, थोड़ा सा कोई ना कोई तो अनाउंस करने के लिए होना चाहिए। मैं शुरू में जब मैं 2014 में हम लोग मिले थे मलाबार हिल में अतुल जी के घर पे, तो उस टाइम आई यूज्ड टू कैरी माय नोटबुक, नोटेशन बुक, उसको लेके बजाता था। फिर रमेश भाई ने एक दो बार देखा, बोले कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, देखो अगली बार का इसको मैं चोरी कर लूं तो तुम कल से आना बंद कर दोगे क्या फिर उसके बाद से मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं नोटेशन बुक के बगैर ही बजाऊंगा। देन आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग। तो थोड़ा बहुत जो आता है वो बजा रहा हूँ। आज रमेश भाई जी की बहुत याद आ रही है। ओके ओके, ट्रैक। सॉरी मैं दूसरा गाना का ले लूं, इसका बॉल जाम हो रहा है। हाँ रेडी, यस। Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Excellent.
Thank you very much.
Excellent rendition, Prabhuji. At 82, he is not yet retired, neither does he get tired. His decibel levels are higher than the limits set by Mumbai police. It is like the diatonic harmonica. He also likes to play the diatonic harmonica more often. A diamond merchant by profession, he plays harmonica and mandolin with great passion.
Today I am playing a song which was very close to heart of Ramesh Bhai. So this is like a tribute to him, okay? Thank you so much.
And his name is Arun Bhai.
And I want you to clap before I play. Because afterward I don't know whether you will.
Wonderful, Arun Bhai. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun Bhai.
Whenever Arun Bhai plays, वो उनका एक फेवरेट सॉन्ग है, याद किया दिल ने, वो हमने उनके लिए कॉपीराइट दे दिया है कि और कोई नहीं बजा सकता. लेकिन ओनली आई थिंक रुस्तम सर शायद डेयरिंग कर रहे हो बजाने का गाना. रुस्तम सर आपको पे करना पड़ेगा इनको, अरुण भाई को. हाँ. Okay, now please welcome Dilip D'Souza. Dilip D'Souza is a very unique person. He is the only person who plays diatonic harmonica in our group and plays it very, he keeps on experimenting new songs. और इनके बारे में कहा जाए तो he has 9 books to his credit that you can get on Amazon. Please give a round of applause. Yeah.
So some of his books are like Road Walker, Bharat Jodo Yatra, Deoliwalas, which you can get on Amazon. He also has written in columns like Mint, New York Times and Washington Post and several others. He is the only player now who plays blues music in our group and he is learning blues music. Yeah. Thank you.
And you'll be playing Big Waters Boogie. Okay. Yes, Dilip.
I just want to also pay a little tribute to your father. I'm so happy to see you, Reena, here. It's exactly, if I remember right, 7 months and 10 days since we lost him. And we, as you can tell, we remember him a lot. So thank you, Ramesh Bhai, for all you've done for us.
क्या बात है।
Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow,
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Give a round of applause. Dilip ji has really surprised us by playing a boogie woogie performance. Thank you, Dilip. Vasant ji. Now please welcome Vasant ji. Vasant Bijapurkar ji. आइए sir. He'll be playing song छोड़ दो आंचल. Yeah. Huh?
Vasanji provided light to us. Please take your seats. Hello, please take your seats.
He'll play. किस ये कर देंगे.
Vasanji. What do you want?
किसको भी दे.
Video.
छोड़ दो आंचल.
Vasanji provided light to us, so to say, he enlightened us. He was with Tata Power all throughout his life,
7 number song.
and he retired as head of the hydrothermal power generation unit. Vasanji has been playing Hawaiian guitar during his college days in an orchestra. Of late, he is playing 3 instruments: harmonica, melodica, and keyboard. Vasanji will play क्या बजा रहा है? छोड़ दो आंचल, जमाना क्या कहेगा, from paying guest S.D. Burman, music director, and singers were Kishore and Asha.
Thank you, Vasan ji, for amazing performance. Thank you.
आप लोग ने सब शोले तो देखा ही होगा। मैं भी तेरे खून की कसम खाकर कहता हूं, एक एक को चुन चुन के मारूंगा, चुन चुन के मारूंगा। गब्बर, मैं आ रहा हूं। ही इज आवर वीरू। ही इज DK Rao, Dilip Kumar Rao, the He-Man of Mumbai Harmonics.
What an intro.
He is the most active member of Mumbai Harmonics. Well, while we speak about, and he can play more than 200 songs on harmonica and has given performances in stages. While we speak about Viru, we miss his Jodidar, Jay, Anil Kudwaji. Anil Kudwaji is not well. He has not been able to come here. So we wish him a very speedy recovery. I am sure DK Rao ji will go and tell him that back. Please welcome DK Rao ji, Dilip Kumar Rao. He will be playing O Leke Pehla Pehla Pyar from the movie CID. O.P. Nayyar was the music director. Singer was Shamshad Begum. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Before his retirement, he navigated and maneuvered mammoth-sized vessels on the sea for Indian Navy. लेकिन रिटायरमेंट के बाद नौबत ये है कि इत्तू सा हारमोनिका लेकर फूंक मारकर अपना समय गुजारते हैं. Retired Commander Shakti Singh Das. He will be dedicating his song to Ramesh Bhai, I guess. Shakti Singh
Hello.
Das. Yeah.
थोड़ा उठा, थोड़ा सा, बस.
Sakida will be playing a song,
Hello.
आओगे जब तुम साजना.
Good evening, everybody. 1 year ago, Ramesh Bhai sent me a SMS. Shakti, come over. I would like to play one song with you. And I have already practiced. You come and we will play together. And he said that song is आओगे जब तुम साजना. I said, ये तो मेरे से होगा नहीं कि फालतू मेरे को बुला रहे सर. तो आई जस्ट ढीली डाला, छोड़ दिया. ओके. Then he passed away in January 14th. Then I decided, no, I must learn it. And I learned it about 1.5 months ago. But I am playing it today just to dedicate this entire song to Ramesh Bhai. Thank you. Thank you, Ramesh Bhai. All credit to Ramesh Bhai.
थैंक यू शक्तिदा. हमको भी हमें भी रमेश जी की याद बहुत आती है. नाउ आई वुड प्लीज वेलकम. यस श्योर. प्लीज वेलकम रामराव खानविलकर जी. ये हमारे बहुत पुराने मेंबर हैं. He is now retired from SIDCO. मुझे एज बताना ठीक नहीं सोन सेन. He is a harmonica player and best flute player also.
Hello.
He will be playing a song जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं from the movie आपकी कसम. It's a 1974 movie of Rajesh Khanna and the music was music composer.
Hello.
Any guessing? Who was music composer? R.D. Burman. Yes.
Yeah. Hello.
Raj.
जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम वो फिर नहीं आते. सही है भाई. हमारे रमेश भाई तो ऐसे मकाम पे पहुंच गए हैं जहां से कोई रिटर्न टिकट भी नहीं है. लेकिन नो वरी रमेश भाई, हम लोग ऊपर आके आपको मिलेंगे, छोड़ेंगे नहीं. थैंक यू.
क्या बात है. What an amazing performance. Thank you, Ram Rao ji.
सॉरी, मेरा फ्लूट का एक पीस थोड़ा सा मिस आउट हो गया, इसलिए सॉरी.
Thank you, thank you. It was quite entertaining, Ram Rao ji. Next, please welcome Ashok Babbar ji. इनके बारे में मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगा. When 2014 में हमने जब ग्रुप फॉर्म किया था, उसके बाद रमेश जी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से कि आई डोंट बिलीव इन स्टेज परफॉर्मेंसेस, आप वो ट्रैक बजाओ फिर बजाओ, इट लुक्स क्वाइट मैकेनिकल, तो उसमें मजा नहीं आता. तो ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन जैमिंग एंड बस्किंग. वो कहते कि हम 10 लोग ऐसे बैठेंगे एक साथ बजाएंगे तो ज्यादा एंजॉय करेंगे. तो उसके बाद से उन्होंने फिर एक प्रैक्टिस चालू की कि ऑलवेज हैंगिंग गार्डन में हर महीने के फर्स्ट संडे जो होता है वो हैंगिंग गार्डन में कोई भी जो भी होगा आसपास में सब लोग आके वहां पे मिलेंगे. तो वहां पे हैंगिंग गार्डन संभाला है रमेश जी एंड हमारे डीके राव जी, वो हमेशा अरुण भाई जी, उन्होंने पूरा वो हैंगिंग गार्डन संभाल लिया. उसके बाद में कहा कि कोई ना कोई तो यहाँ से होगा, बैंड्रा अंधेरी खार से. तो अशोक बब्बर जी ने यहाँ से बहुत अच्छा संभाला. अशोक बब्बर जी एंड सेन, इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से दो जो मतलब भैया ना चौकियां संभाल रखी है.
बस तुम्हारी कमी रहती है वहाँ पे.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
He is one of the more senior.
I think we have carried the legacy to the very much in Bandra, Joggers Park, and every third Sunday of the month.
अशोक सर थोड़ा माइक के पास आइए. Come closer to the mic.
He is the senior most member of our family. अशोक जी is playing जीवन के सफर में राही. Wow. Thank you, Ashok ji. Thank you, Ashok ji. See, look at his stamina. Sidle, बैठिए सर. इसके लिए लंग्स इतनी इसकी इंप्रूव हो जाती है। देखिए आप, एज के लिए एज का कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है। हमारे ग्रुप में कुमी मैडम भी है, शी इज ऑलमोस्ट 89, सर भी 80 के ऊपर है। अरुण भाई तो लगते ही नहीं है 80 के। हाँ? ये इतना छोटा सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट इतना पॉपुलर हुआ है कि साइडल ने एक अलग इंस्ट्रूमेंट निकाला है ओनली फॉर टू क्योर अस्थमा। जिनको जिनको लंग्स प्रॉब्लम है उनके लिए एक पल्मोनिका नाम का एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन्वेंट किया है। उसमें खाली बस ब्रीथ इन करना है, ब्रीथ आउट करना है, बहुत इजी है। सो इट्स इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज रियली वेरी गुड। मतलब डॉक्टर भी उसको एडवाइस करते हैं। नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर आई वुड प्लीज इनवाइट DS राव जी। DS राव जी भी हमारे हारमोनिका प्लेयर है, एट द सेम टाइम ही इज अ वेरी गुड फ्लूट प्लेयर also, and he was consultant representing a German company for sheet board cables, and now he's full time into music, plays harmonica and flute. DS Rao ji, he will be playing a song, beautiful song, Ye Mausam Rangin Bana, Ye Mausam Rangin Sama, from the movie Modern Girl. Wow, wow. Thank you, DS Rao ji. It's amazing play. Next, please welcome our Babu Moshai, Sanjay Sen ji. We call him Babu Moshai. He'll be playing Ekla Chalore. संजय सेन इज अ इन्वेस्टमेंट कंसल्टेंट. इनकी नजर जो हमेशा आपके पॉकेट पे रहती है, आपके पास कितना इनकम है, कितना पैसा है. नॉट इन बैड सेंस. and he enjoys, उन्होंने अपने बारे में लिखा है कि he enjoys traffic jams of Mumbai when driving alone. He plays harmonica while driving. संजय सेन, it is very dangerous. कहीं भी संजय सेन ड्राइव कर रहे होंगे उनके बाजू से मत गुजरिएगा, बहुत डेंजरस है.
Yeah, thank you. So again, I am going to play this Rabindra Sangeet, Ekla Cholo Re. Now basically because Ramesh Bhai was fond of Rabindra Sangeet also, and he in fact inspired me to learn this song. And in fact I played in the second anniversary the same song, and I said there are only two famous persons who love the, it is a favorite of two famous persons. One was Gandhiji and other was Ramesh Bhai, and he was in splits. So I hope he is watching me, blessing me. Thank you, Ramesh Bhai. Thank you.
Wow, Sam.
Thank you very much.
Lovely, lovely.
Thank you, Ramesh bhai. Thank you.
When we started this group in the 2014, एकला चालो बोलते बोलते अभी around 30-35 members मुंबई हार्मोनिक्स के हो गए. And संजय सेन was the person जिन्होंने सबको फोन कर करके पूरा एक बड़ा ग्रुप फॉर्म किया था. मुझे याद है when I started learning in 2014 January, I learned सिंगल सिंपल ट्यून ऑफ शोले 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 ट्यून जो अमिताभ बजाता है ना वो, और फिर मैंने तुरंत उसको फेसबुक में डाल दिया था और डीपी डाल दिया था। तो संजय सेन वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू कॉल मी, अरे भाई तुम डू यू प्ले हारमोनिका? यस आई एम लर्निंग। बोला आ जाओ, फिर हम लोग एक ग्रुप फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, और उसके कहते कहते ऐसे ऐसे हमारा एक बड़ा ग्रुप बन गया, जो अभी तक हमारा ग्रुप चल रहा है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। नेक्स्ट प्लेयर प्लीज वेलकम जीवन पौड़ी जी फ्रॉम पुणे। प्लीज गिव हिम अ राउंड ऑफ एप्लॉज। ये पहले मुंबई में ही रहते थे। इज अ रिटायर्ड प्रोफेशनल फ्रॉम महिंद्रा एंड इज वेरी गुड। थैंक यू थैंक यू।
Jeevan Paule ji is a
थैंक यू। मैं भी आपके थोड़ा सा बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ।
excellent.
वेरी गुड एक्सेलेंट कैलीग्राफर। ये देख रहे हैं आप, ये डिजाइन भी इन्होंने ही बनाया है।
हेलो
ये अभी स्टेइंग इन बोरीवली, लेकिन उनको कुछ वजह से मुंबई छोड़नी पड़ी और वो पुणे चले गए, तो हमको बहुत मिस करते हैं।
संजय
अभी ज्यादा हाँ
इंसिग्निया।
और भी एक है यहाँ पे हमारे सुदेश जी है और मोहन जी है, जो एक कंपनी चलाते हैं सुप्रा म्यूजिकल्स। उनका जो एक हारमोनिका है उस पे उन्होंने जो लोगो बनाया है वो भी इन्होंने बनाया है, सुप्रा म्यूजिकल्स।
वन करेक्शन संजय,
अरुण जी वहां से मुझे डांट रहे कि ज्यादा बात कम करो, परफॉर्मेंस होने दो। जीवन जी प्लीज,
जीवन जी
आपका गाना कौन सा है?
एक करेक्शन है। जीवन जी ने एक्चुअली ये लोगो जो है हिमानी कपाडिया, शी इज सिटिंग हियर विद अस, मिस हिमानी कपाडिया हैज क्रिएटेड दिस लोगो and thank you very much. And this logo, we really love this logo. It's very close to our heart. The Gateway of India symbol which comes over the M, that has been designed by Jeevan ji. He is an excellent calligrapher and he is of course harmonica, a very passionate harmonica player. He would travel all the way from Borivali to Hanging Gardens every Sunday morning and reach there by 8 a.m. That was his passion.
He'll be playing song बार बार देखो from Chinatown. जीवन जी।
क्या बात है.
Thank you, Jivan ji. Thank you. Thank
He
you.
has traveled all the way from Pune just to attend today's event. Thank you, Jivan ji.
Yeah. Now please welcome Sashikant Doshi ji. आइए sir. He is also one of the senior most member of our family. And he plays song on 24 holes. नहीं आज लगता है बदली कर दिया है. Sashikant ji will be playing a song, beautiful song, बचपन की मोहब्बत को, from the movie Baiju Bawra. थोड़ा ऊपर.
Thank you, Sashikant ji. So well played. Our next performer is Himanshu Thakkar. He has become so close to Mumbai Harmonics. He is actually not a harmonica player. He plays several musical instruments, flute, mandolin, and he is a very good singer as well. And he entertains everyone at Hanging Gardens very regularly on Sundays. So he is playing a song based on Rag Pahadi. So over to Himanshu. बात है, that was mesmerizing.
मैं रमेश अंकल जी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे बहुत प्रेरणा ध्रुपद सीखने के लिए भी प्रेरणा दी। और मैं एक बात तो रीना जी इसमें आपसे ये समझना चाहता हूँ कि उनके गाने की तरफ का अप्रोच कैसा था। बहुत कोई भी गाना वो उस तरह उनका अप्रोच इतना कमाल था रमेश अंकल का कि मैं आज तक वो खोज रहा हूँ कि वो अप्रोच कहाँ से लाऊं। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू हिमांशु जी। कोई बता सकता है इन्होंने कौन कौन से 2 सॉन्ग बजाए थे? और दूसरा वाला गाना कौन सा था, लेकिन वर्डिंग क्या थे? बहुत इतना अच्छी तरह से इन्होंने गाना बजाया कि हम सब लोग मेस्मराइज हो गए थे कि कौन से गाने थे, लेकिन बट वी आर एंजॉयिंग बोथ द सॉन्ग। थैंक यू हिमांशु जी। नाउ वी प्लीज वेलकम राजीव राज जी, मोस्ट स्टाइलिश प्लेयर ऑफ अवर ग्रुप एंड मैं कहूँगा पूरे इंडिया में इनके साथ स्टाइलिश प्लेयर कोई नहीं है। When we started learning harmonica, क्या बात है, signature tune, lovely, and he'll be playing a beautiful song, हम सफर मेरे हम सफर, पंख तुम परवाज़ हो।
No, I think that is the second song, no?
No, he is taking it as a first song.
Change कर लिया?
हाँ, change कर
Has he
दिया।
changed it?
नंबर बता देना इसमें, नंबर बता देना इसमें है ना?
अरे नहीं, इसमें नहीं है यार, 1 मिनट। हाँ, नंबर है यार। गाना नहीं। So play 36 first, number 36.
Thank
थैंक यू
Perfect.
What a lovely performance,
Perfect.
Raju ji. It was really a lovely performance. Next. Next, please welcome Sudesh Shetty. Yes.
Yeah,
Sir.
he's an engineer from MIT Manipal, and he runs a mechanical engineering company at Thane, and he's also into the business of manufacturing, selling and repairing musical instruments called Supra Musical Company, which includes all brands of harmonica as well. And he runs a music school, a harmonica school at Thane. Mr. Sudesh Shetty is going to play Laakho Hai Yahan Dil Wale, track number 5.
Track number 5.
लाखों है यहाँ दिल वाले from the movie Kismat, singer Mahendra Kapoor and music director O.P. Nayyar, Sudesh Shetty.
Song number 5, sequence.
बोलना चाह रहे लगता है. राजीव आप किधर हो? स्टेज पे आ जाओ.
It was really foot tapping song. Thank you, Sudesh ji. शैलेश जी जल्दी से आइए. अरे थक गए. कौन?
Nazneen, Nazneen. Nazneen?
Nazneen. Are you ready? Yes. Nazneen is ready with her a super hit song, Hawa Nagila.
So Nazneen has learnt harmonica at her young age from Mr. Feroz Damri. Nazneen, am I right? She learned when she was a baby from Mr. Feroz Damri. Mr. Feroz Damri was the one who actually popularized harmonica, the Honor harmonica in Mumbai.
Rustam sir.
Rustam, sir.
Wow.
And now after that, Rustam, sir.
Now
Oh, now she is learning from Rustam sir.
Rustam sir also.
Oh, that's nice to know. Great.
Been here.
So Nazneen not only plays harmonica, she has a passion for flute also. But of course today she is going to play harmonica. She is going to play a Jewish song, right?
yes, it's a Jewish
Havana
song.
Gila, and I'm sure you'll all be thrilled to come and dance actually. So be prepared. Be prepared. Loosen your belts, please. Nazneen, over to Nazneen.
It's called Havana Gila.
Rajiv Himanshu, आ जाओ.
amazing performance. To the stamina, my God.
That was awesome. Now we will